how to manually update your software on your Mercedes-Benz with MBUX system on Mercedes Me. So you log in, then you'll go and you'll get to your map, and you get the map update. You can say update region manually and change home region. You can change your home region if that region is up to date. You can see the cars last checked up Mercedes Me 41 hours ago. It currently has us as this region here, California region. We want to make it Texas, and we can see that on version 2019. We need to go to 2024, so we can't update until we change the region until that is updated. If I go here to change home region, it's the desired region I want. So I'll come to Texas, I'll click on Texas, and then it says first need to update that manually. So let's go to that. What you need to do is select your regions. So here's your steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we go. And you'd say complete map, or you can just select the region you want. So if you go there, then you just select the region you want. So if we just wanted to update Texas, we could, but I might do it all. You can do it just once. You say next, then you need to download the manager, and once you've done the manager, it will pop up and it will want to start saving the maps. So you click launch download manager, which we've already done, so just open the screen. So here you go, we are busy updating all the states. So you can see we've got Mexico now. It's at 53% of the Mexico map. It's busy around the Canada and Alaska maps, and the overall written 51%, total is 53% now. We're slowly getting up there, and this is doing all the maps. Remember, you do one at a time if you want to. And then once it's downloaded, once at 100%, I'll show you, we'll go to the vehicle and then we'll plug that in there. So that's how it works there. Just remember, in order to use this, you've got to plug in a memory stick or USB, and you need to just follow the steps and make sure that your USB stick is in the format needed. So you'll have to reformat your USB stick. But that's the steps. Up until the point of the vehicle, we'll go to the vehicle and then install the maps once it is finished updating. So once this is done here, then I'll take up the USB stick, go to the vehicle, and I'll show you from there how to update your maps on the car. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Any other information on what would you like us to do on the vehicle, give us your feedback. So we're almost 100% of the data. You can see it's just there. But 94%, so once that is downloaded, the Montana, Oregon, we can then take this card and go and plug it into the car. I'm using this adapter. There's my memory card. I'm going to plug it into this port over here, and then we'll see what's going to happen on the screen up there. So it says there's software, so we can just click on that. Then there's 24 gigs showing us what there is, and then do you want to download, so just say yes, update, and then it's going to start installing the updated maps for all the regions. Then I can go in and change the region once the vehicle has communicated with Mercedes Me, and it can show the latest update. So we'll leave that for now, and come back later. It's at 1%. We're nearly there. We're at 99%, just waiting for it to finish at that 100% mark. There we go. So we're at 100% update. It's taking about half an hour, so not bad for all that data. It says restart system. So before I restart the system, I'm just going to unplug it. So then it'll just restart. It's taking a bit of time. Busy downloading data, getting it into the system, and we now will have our updated maps, such as activating the navigation system, putting all that new software in, going into map version, and we can see it is all the latest 2024 version 21. That's for all the states. Now to do a region change, we can do that once the vehicle has gone back to Mercedes Me and it knows that there is an update. We can then log back into Mercedes Me and then change it to whichever region we want. So if we want to go from California to Texas, we can do the change because everything is up to date, and so all the other states as well. There you go. So it's an easy process. Hope this video helped. Please remember to subscribe and comment. If you need any other fixes or you have any other questions, please drop comments below. If you don't own a vehicle and you're curious about the vehicle and you know something, drop comments below. We're always looking for new ideas and tips on videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.